Hey guys, this is Maria and I'm going to show you how to create an amazing intro for your YouTube channel. So first of all, you go to YouTube and then you're going to search for makeup intro template. That's how I search for mine. And then I am clicking, wait, let me do that again. So I'm going to the first video, and this is actually where I found my template. So you can see this guy is editing by Matthew, and he has different free templates that you can use, and of course you have to give him credit, so and add his channel to the description box. So I'm gonna show you what I did. So this is the template that I got. It's this one. So again, if you just skip the first part, and then here, this is without any text. Okay, so this is the intro that I got, and this is without any text in between. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the link. I'm gonna use search for YouTube to MP4. Okay, so you're gonna go here and then we're gonna paste the link, go to MP4 and then okay. And these pages have a lot of pop-ups, so you want to be careful with that. I'm just gonna download this. So now it's downloading. Okay, and then we're gonna open this. So here is the video, and then we will import this to iMovie, and I'm gonna create a new project. Okay, so once you have opened iMovie, we will import this video. So I'm just gonna drag this video down here, and I'm just gonna put this on full screen. So yeah, let me just turn off this sound. First of all, I'm gonna turn it off, and then we go here, right here. This is where we want to cut, where we want to split the video. So I'm gonna go to Command and B, and I'm just splitting it, and then I'm just gonna drag it up till the end. So this is here. So we can remove this part right here. And yeah, so you can see he has some other intros as well, which you can use, but I really liked this one. So yes, this is okay. So what you want to do is, if you want to add your name, your YouTube channel name, so what I did, I just went here. You can choose this, for example, pixie dust, and so we're gonna go here. So we're gonna start the title where it starts swiping. So where the mascara wand kind of starts swiping, this is gonna be here. So we're gonna start it here. Let's see. Okay, maybe just a bit later. Okay, and then I will do this longer. So the duration is gonna be longer until here. So it's gonna be like 7 seconds, 7-8 seconds. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double click here, and then I'm gonna go to Maria.jbeauty, for example. And of course you can choose here how you want to have the text. You can even change the font, but I really liked the first one. So okay, so this is how you can make your intro, which is just super easy. Perfect, so we're done, and then here comes the subscribe button. So another thing that I did is I added some music. Okay, so for music, what I do is I go to YouTube, actually on my phone, and then I search for NCS, or you can search for NCS intro music. NCS means no copyright sounds, so you can, you're allowed to use their music in your videos. So let's see, we can, or you can just search for intro music NCS, and let's see. Okay, let's say you found the perfect background music for your intro, then you can just start, you swipe up and then you start recording it. And then okay, so once you're satisfied with the sound, what you're gonna do is you're gonna swipe up from the bottom, and then you record your screen, which is gonna automatically record this the music as well. So I'm just gonna record a minute of this video, and then I'm gonna import it to my iMovie. So I just airdropped this to my MacBook from my phone. So I'm gonna open iMovie. Okay, so we have the music here. I'm just gonna drag this down here, and only the audio will appear down. Okay, so once you're done importing the audio, we're just gonna play it and see if it matches with the video, with the intro. Okay, let's say you like this. So I'm just gonna crop it, and what I like to do is I like to drag this a little bit here. So it's gonna be a bit faded, and then it's gonna start slowly. This is kind of loud, but you can of course do it as you like. Okay, so you can choose any sound you want, and I'm just going to export this. So I'm gonna go to File, and then you're gonna write YouTube intro, and then we're gonna save it. This was the complete tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is super easy and beginner friendly. So you can search for any intro on YouTube. Just go there and then download it, and just add your title, add your music, and you're good to go. Yeah, and always make sure to tag and give credit to the original creators of the music, of the video. Also, if you have any questions, just drop it down in the comment section and I will get back to you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my makeup tutorials, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.